We have the PonyCycle. This is going to be the size 4 to 9 years of age. They do have different models for larger and smaller kids. And so, you see it's a very large box, but no one cares about the box. Let's take a look at what we have inside here, huh? So we have a owner's club. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of assembly here. We'll go ahead and tip this over so you guys can see it as I get this out of the box. There we go. Nice thick bag here. And here is the... Alright, let's get this all the way out of the bag before I start trying to put it together. There we go. Okay. We have our instructions, a little bit of hardware. Let's get this out of the way. And this, is apparently attached here. So I'm going to get these instructions open, make sure it's assembled properly, and I'll be right back when I start walking through that. Alright, read through the instructions. Comes with an included Allen key. And what we're going to do is set this majestic beast up. There we go. Inside of the neck here, we have a couple of bolts. We're going to back those out almost all the way out. Center post right here. And slide that on. Making sure it's all the way down and tighten up those two bolts right here. And these are pressure fit. Okay, and one more to go. And I want to crank these down just a little bit more. That way a 6-year-old can crank on this pretty easily. There we go. And now that's done, we just zip up the neck here. Looks to be a zipper right here on the back. And then pull the collar back down on the zipper. Alright. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, there is a sound effects box right up here. Undo this collar, making sure to get the mane out of the way. And there you go. It's way high up here. Let me go ahead and get this out. And there's a little tab right here to engage the battery. And then just make sure you get the fur out of the way. There we go. And looks like we have a nice seat here, nice and solid. Now all that's left is to get my daughter up here.